Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, I'll be upgrading the CPU in my computer, and then after that I should have some before and after benchmark stuff, so let's begin. The CPU I decided to buy is the Ryzen 7 5700X, and it is an 8-core 16-thread processor, and I paid about $189 off of Amazon for it, so not too bad at all. This CPU will be replacing my Ryzen 5 5600X, and that is a 6-core 12-thread processor. So instead of doing a step-by-step guide on how to do this, I actually opted to do a montage instead, so I hope you enjoy. So let's begin. So that montage actually took a lot longer to edit than I thought I was going to. That's about 13 minutes worth of clips, edited it down to about a minute and a half, so yeah. So let's now go over some of those benchmark results. So I decided to use two different programs for my benchmarking. The first program is Cinebench, and I did their single core test and I did their multi-core test. With the single core test, the new CPU is actually about 1.5% lower than the old CPU. And then with the multi-core test, the new CPU is about 18% higher than the old CPU. So I'm actually really happy with those numbers there. The second program I chose to use is NovaBench. NovaBench is a full system benchmarker. It tests everything from your CPU, your GPU, your memory, and even your storage. So I like to run this program a lot just to pretty much get a baseline for pretty much how my computer's performing and stuff like that. So before I installed the new CPU, I was getting a result about 3100, and then with the new CPU, I was getting about 3459. So that's about a 11% increase, so not too bad at all. So the main reason I decided to upgrade my CPU is just trying to be a little more productive with some of my YouTube stuff. Anytime I use DaVinci Resolve anymore just to render a video, it actually takes anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes just to do that, just because they're becoming quite big. And other than that, I'm just hoping this actually makes a better gaming experience as well. Maybe to even make me a better gamer, but probably not. So that's going to be it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please drop a like. Don't forget I put all the links down below for any of the products I used in this video down there. And don't forget to subscribe as well, and that's going to be it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.